Hey, this is Shelley Belcourt, and I want to give you a quick training on how to do retargeting. So I'm going to do a quick explanation on what retargeting is, then I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 simple steps, and then lastly I'm going to give you some bonuses just for being on this training. So what is retargeting? For example, yesterday I was on Amazon and I was looking at this exact Yeti microphone, okay? And then today I opened my Facebook timeline and boom, there it is, right on the right hand side. See, it's a sponsored ad and it's the exact same microphone. Now, this is not a coincidence, okay? Now, you know how there is research that shows after, I think it's 7 touches, somebody is more likely to buy. So that's why we email a lot of times. Well, this kind of does that heavy lifting for you. And so that's what retargeting is. That they know that I have looked at that on Amazon's page, and they are retargeting that ad to my Facebook page. So I will continue to see this for the next month or up to 3 months since I clicked on that ad in Amazon. And you can do this too in your business, and it is extremely powerful, and it multiplies your advertising dollar, because when I have gone and looked on there one time, then they can follow me around the internet or on Facebook in this case and show me the exact same ad. So we're just going to go through the 3 simple steps. Number 1 is creating a custom audience, and you do that in your Facebook ads manager. So you just go to manage ads on your Facebook page, on your profile, and on the bottom on the left here it says audiences. So I just want you to click on audiences, and on the right hand side there's a green button that says create audience, and then you want to do custom audience. So there are 3 choices. You want to click the website traffic. So you would just give your audience a name, and this is something that obviously you would have to have make sense to you depending on what offer you are showing these people. And then just anyone who visits your website in the last 30 days, you can do up to 90 days. As you can see, it includes past website traffic, amazingly powerful. And then simply create the audience. So once you've done that, click OK. And then go and select the, check the box there next to the audience name. Go up to actions and then view pixel. So pixel is the name for the code that you are going to be putting on your either website, or I'm going to show you how to put it on your lead capture page. So you select all of that, copy that pixel. It's like you've heard a cookie, same sort of thing. Pixel, it's a computer language for it's a tiny little dot that goes on, and they know that you've hit that particular page. Okay, sounds crazy, doesn't it? So what you need to do here is just go to whatever lead capture pages you're using, and I'm just going to select a template, and I'll show you just quickly how to build it. So this can be done in your website. You can just put the pixel in the header, or maybe ask somebody to do it for you. Fiverr will do it for you, anyone who's minded that way. And so here, just under the page settings, you can see the SEO, title, description, keywords, and then it says tracking code. That is where I'm going to place that pixel code. I know that sounds all so technical, but you know, if I can do it, you guys can too. And then you would just click OK. Now, anyone, after I've built this page, anyone who this ad gets served to will have that code applied to them, and that will go into this audience group here, which I've named demo. So any page that I put that pixel on will go into the same group, and that's why you need to name it appropriately, and so you know which ad you're sending them to. Alright, so that is step 1, how to create a custom audience. Now step 2, I've done already as well, is place the targeting pixel on your page. That is here where I put it in that in the page settings there. Okay, that tracking code there. Like that. Okay, so number 3 is market using the names collected. So we'll go back to your Facebook ads, and what you need to do is just go back to your ads page, and then you would do create an ad. So you just click on that green button, create an ad. Now this can be done for whatever ad you create. So you can do another website ad, you can do a post, promoted post, post engagement. So I'm just going to do it to a clicks to website. And just for demonstration purposes, I have not obviously planned this out. Alright, so as you can see here, it says custom audience. So that is where you would put that same audience. I would put the demo. Remember I called it demo? So I would select that. Now obviously I have not sent any traffic to that page. I've just created it, so there is no audience in there at the moment. But that is where I would do it. And then you would just go ahead like you would normally set up a Facebook ad. And that will be served to the people who came and hit this particular ad previously. So you kind of double dipping. Even if the person did not opt in originally, you know what their interest was a little bit that made them click on that ad in the first place, because you placed that first ad, and therefore you can market appropriately either another offer or the same offer, and you can use them so you can hit the same people again, and they will just see you following around Facebook, or you can do this around the internet as well. So it's quite powerful, it's quite amazing, and I do encourage you to try this. It's not hard. Just follow these steps, go back, replay this video. And now I want to give you number 3 here, which is bonuses for you to use. So if you like this type of training and you want more in-depth training on how and where to market online, then simply go to myinternettrafficsystem.com. I will put this clickable link in the post next to this ad, or below, next to this video should I say, and that is like getting your marketing degree. That is actually where I learnt about retargeting, but I learnt in depth, and I learnt much more skills on how to market and where I should be placing my ads and what I should be saying in my ads. So if you are wanting more information, there's a very low cost offer there waiting for you. So the second I want to offer you is a free lead capture page system. Now if you like the look of these pages that you saw here, and that is exactly what my offer is. So there are tons of sales pages, webinar pages, thank you pages, opt-ins, video, text, images. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. They're beautiful pages. The hosting is all included. It is absolutely 100% free to use. There is a one-time $1 setup fee, only just to make sure the robots don't go in and screw up the system. And you can get that by going to mitspages.net. Again, I will put the link in the description right next to this video. So I hope that has been a good explanation, and you can go out there and start retargeting. You might as well collect another list, because you can collect names of people who didn't opt in, but you know that they have an interest, and you can either show them the same ad or just go in from another angle to them, and it's very, very powerful. You can also do this on your own blog or website if you have one. So I hope that has been informative for you. You can find me at Shellbell Online on Facebook, facebook.com/Shellbell Online, or you can find me at Shelley at shelleybelcourt.com. I'll also be around, and I would love to answer your questions if you have any. So have a wonderful day.